Hello, you guys are doing fantastic and I am so proud of you. Today we're going to go back to the makecode.microbit.org. Today we're going to use one of the tutorials. So we're going to use the one called Love Meter, except we're going to change it to I like tacos. So we're going to click on the Love Meter, choose blocks, and it's going to give us some words in here and then a random number. So we're going to click OK. The directions up here say let's build a love meter, place a on pin press block code to run when the 0 pin is pressed. Use P0 from the list of pin inputs. And if you look here, it says, it shows that we're going to use this pink. It shows that if you click here, it shows that we're going to use this pink block of code, and that corresponds with input, which is also pink. I'm going to click on input and drag out on pin 0. Hit next. The directions show using show number and pick random blocks show a random number from 0 to 100 when 0 is pressed. I'm going to click next. So we need to get the blue show number, and I like how the directions actually correspond with the code down here. So I'm going to click on basic. I'm going to get show number and I'm going to place it when the pin is pressed. And then the next thing I need to do is pick random. So let's take a guess here. What do you think this pick random is going to do? That's right. The pick random means that the microbit is going to pick a number randomly from 0 to 10. What I do now is I'm going to place it inside, and there's a little red dot showing me where I'm going to place it. I'm going to hit next. The directions say click on pin 0 in the simulator and see which number is chosen. So I'm going to click there and I can see that it chose 3. I'm going to click it again, I got 8, and click it again, I got 2. Awesome, so we know that the code is good and it's working. The directions say show love meter on the screen when the microbit starts. So I'm going to grab a string. So what I'm going to do is click on basic. I need to get a string, and remember, string is just text or characters. It could be a word, it could be a letter. But instead of saying hello, we're going to say tacos. And now I'm going to click start, and we can see that it's starting to show tacos in the virtual microbit. And then we need to click on pin 0 to show how much we like tacos. So this one is 5. Let's do it again. Now this one says we like, on a scale of 0 to 10, we like tacos 7. The next thing you need to do is download your program. And then on your microbit, we should see tacos, and we should see a number when I press the 0. Directions say to hold the ground pin with one hand. So the ground pin is here, and then hold the 0 pin. After I see the word tacos, I'm going to hold the ground pin and the 0 pin, and then I should see a number. This is a part where you might need to get your alligator clips, and they also call them wire clips. I'm going to clip one to the ground, and I'm going to clip the next clip to the 0. I see the word tacos. I'm going to reset my microbit, and now I'm going to hold both of those down, and I should see a number. Well, I hope you guys have fun with this, and we'll go on to the next activity after that. Have a great day.